So what is the need of such a platform, right? Traditional NGO donation systems face several challenges. Some of them include like building trust with their donors, facing lots of competition, and having limited reach to certain regions. Even the donor engagement after donations is also a challenge. How do you keep the donors giving again and again? As it is encouraging for recurring donations to keep the NGO sustainable, and managing transactions and adapting to these technologies and various other challenges often come in traditional NGO systems, right? So what we thought was a Web3 based NGO donation platform can address these challenges that I mentioned by providing secure, transparent transactions using blockchain technology. It can also expand the reach of donations and increase donor engagement through rewards and recognitions as well for those who donate frequently. With the potential for decentralized governance, a Web3 based platform can create a community driven donation ecosystem that ensures uh, regulations and transparency through the whole system, and there is no gap for even corruption to enter. Ultimately, the main aim of this platform is to make sure that NGOs have a greater impact and a higher sustainability. Okay, so what technologies is our Web3 based NGO platform using, right? It's in two parts. One is on the website and one is on the blockchain side. Uh, our web platform is powered by Next.js, and the styling is done with Tailwind CSS, providing fast and really awesome front end rendering. User details are securely stored on Firebase after their wallets are connected. We use WAGMI to establish a connection with the user's wallet. With this robust tech stack, we are able to provide a seamless and secure donation experience for the users and for the NGOs likewise.
So now we'll be connecting the wallet to our application. So for that, I'll click on the connect wallet button right here, and that opens Rainbow Kit, from where we'll be selecting on the MetaMask option. And once I click on MetaMask option, you can see right here that my uh, wallet has been connected to our application. So currently I'm on Ethereum, and we have 4 other chains. So you can see my balance and the wallet address right here. So if I want to disconnect, I can just click on disconnect, and we can do the same connect process again. Once we're done with this, we can go to the profile page. Over here we can see the user details. So if you're entering this, if this is the first time that you're connecting your application, you'll have to fill your name and your email ID right here. For that, let's just use the edit option, and we can save this. So now this has been saved, and now if we have any particular NGO, if we own any NGOs, we can check that particular NGO's dashboard clicking on this button. And now currently my account is supposed to be owning this particular NGO, and so I'm able to see this dashboard.
Hi, I'll be telling you how the smart contract is working and what's happening at the back end of the website. So as you can see, I've already compiled it since there is a publish option in there, the smart contracts. So I'll just go to the deploy and the transactions tab. I've already set up my environment for connecting it with the MetaMask, and as you can see, my wallet address is already there. All I need to do is just deploy it. I'll deploy it. It's written there, creation of payment bundle. Now just wait for the MetaMask notification to open. Yep. As you can see, all I need to do is confirm it. I'll confirm it. Wait for a while. Meanwhile, I'll open the EtherScan tab just to show it there as well. Yep. As you can see, the block the transaction hash has already been given for the transaction, and the transaction has been successful. Now this same information will be displayed in this EtherScan website as well. As you can see, my wallet address to the wallet address created by the virtual machine is there. The transaction hash will be different for each and every transaction, which will help us in checking if there are any fraudulent transactions or not. Plus, since this transaction hash will be different for each and every transaction, hence there will be very less chance of frauds taking place during the transactions.
Hello, Arnav here. So I wanted to talk about how users can create their own NGO on our website and accept donations. If you want to add your own NGO to our website, you can do is by going to create a new NGO in our profile section. After you have done that, you will see a form. You will see a form where you can fill up all the details and certificates you have for your NGO. Here you can upload all your name, email address, NGO description, and choose all the certificate you have for your NGO and all the images. Okay, the details you fill here get verified by us on our admin panel, and your NGO shows up on our website only when it is verified by us. Here you can see a page of an NGO which are all your documents. If you want to know how you can like check all the transactions of your NGOs and everything, you can go to your profile page. On your profile page, after your NGO is successfully verified by us, you will see this NGO dashboard button. On clicking upon it, you will reach to the your NGO dashboard. Here you can see all the top donations which you have received and all the number of donators and all the transaction details of histories of your NGO.